Hello children, welcome to the offline classes. This is third standard social science first lesson. Once again I will explain you about this lesson shortly. Okay children, already you have seen the videos. Okay, already you have understood what is in the first unit, our place in the world from home to. See here, in this lesson tells about from home to. See here, these pictures already you have seen. These pictures, they have related to each other. First one house, it belongs to in society. Then society belongs to locality. Afterwards it belongs to city. City belongs to states. State belongs to country. This like every picture has related to each other. Next, universe. What is mean by universe? Already you have studied. See here children, it defines the universe as all of space, matter, energy and everything in it, including stars, planets, galaxies, etc. This is called universe. See here children, here this is universe. This is universe. The part of the sky that is visible to us is just a very teeny parts of the universe. See here, teeny parts. See here, so many teeny parts are in the universe. Already you have seen. See here, one more, Milky Way galaxy. This is Milky Way galaxy. As the sky in the game park is free of pollution, our galaxy is clearly visible in the night sky. See here, the universe contains billions of stars gathered together in large groups called galaxies. Okay, see here, this is our solar system. This is our solar system. Near the outer edge of our Milky Way galaxy, our solar system was formed. See here. Okay children, it consists of medium-sized stars. Medium-sized star is called sun. We call it sun. The 8 planets, here 8 planets and their moons, the dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, meteors, gas and dust. See here, Pritish, Patracia, universe, Milky Way, solar system, earth. They have related one by one. Universe is where everyone and everything exists. Okay. Next one, we will come to the earth. Afterwards, earth. Earth is our home planet. Yes or no children? Yes, earth is our home planet. In fact, it is home to everything that we need and kind of. See here they have given one question. I will read for you this one. Make a note of 6 things you need which earth provides and things you don't need but are there on earth. Be quick. I take, I do not need. From earth, this is also from earth. Which you have to take. Things you need in your life, you have to write in this column. Things which are not you need. From earth you write in this side. I take from earth shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter you write here. The second one is food. You need food? Yes. We all need food. In every day, we will eat food to get energy. Okay? To life, it is very important. The third one is water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. The fourth one is air. A-I-R. Air. The fifth one is climate. The fifth one is climate, CLIMATE. The sixth one is nutrients, NUTRIENTS. These things we should take from the earth. These are all our needs. See here, in this side you have to write which things you don't want. You don't need from the earth, you write here only. Earthquake, EARTHQUAKE, earthquake. The second one is tsunami, TSUNAMI, tsunami. The third one is pollution, POLLUTION, pollution. The fourth one is famine, FAMINE, famine. The fifth one is poison, POISON, poison. The sixth one is volcanic eruption, VOLCANIC ERUPTION, volcanic eruption. In every people like to take these things only from earth. Do you like to take this one? No. These are all very dangerous from the earth. These are problems. We are suffering from these problems. Okay? See here children. This is the nature. The next one. Earth is third planet. Earth is third planet. Right here. Planet from the sun, neither too close nor too far. It has the right temperature to support life. The sun provides us with light, LIGHT, and heat, HEAT. Both are essential for life because these two things are very essential for our life. It has air which is rich in oxygen, OXYGEN, oxygen. Human beings and animals breathe oxygen, BREATHE, breathe right here. It has water in its liquid form, WATER right here. Nearly 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Yes, already you have studied. The rest of it is land. It means 29% only land is there. Yet, that land is enough to support all of us. That much of percent land only support all of us. We humans live on land. A lot of the land is covered by soil. We grow plants in soil, SOIL, okay, right here. Animals and plants thrive on both land and water. Different species have adapted to their respective habitats. So far, scientists have not discovered life on any other planet. Hope humans use us well, because if they waste and misuse us, we will be of no use to them. We will help them less and harm them more. Mercury, this is planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth. Earth is third. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. See here, these are all planets. The next one, shape. Observe and tell this one. Shape. See here. Ball, orange. Observe and tell this one. Identify the objects. Similarity. In these both, ball and orange. See here, between which similarity is there? Between these two things. Similarity, difference here. Write one similarity and one different between them. Ball and orange both are spares. Yes or no? The shape you think our earth is circle shape. Take this one. Long ago people were scared to God for them from where they lived because they thought they will fall off the edge. On September 20, 1519, Ferdinand Magellan set sail from Spain with around 270 crew members. In 5 ships, he was hoping to find the shortest route to Spice Islands. Many men died on the way due to hunger, diseases and enemy attacks. On April 27, 1521, he too was killed in the Philippine Islands. Then John Sebastian Elcano took control of the ship, the Victoria, and set sail for Spain. Only 2 ships remained with 47 crew members. Finally, on September 8, 1522, he reached Spain with only 17 men and 1 ship. See here, 18 sailors complete the circumnavigation September 8, 1522. This is the Indian Ocean. See here. This is Indian Ocean. Spice Islands. Magellan is killed at the Philippines. This is Pacific Ocean. This is the point of killed place. Pacific Ocean. Ferdinand Magellan circumnavigation of the world 1519 to 1522. Okay. Earth was round. They were the first ones to circumnavigate the earth. See here, children. The earth is round but like an orange. Not like a ball. It is little flat at the top and bottom, and there is a slight bulge in the middle. See here, this is the bulge in human. In Kannada, honkala, that like bulge, to swell or curve outwards. Observe until just go up a tall building with an adult, you will see the sky and the land meeting at a distance. You will also see the sky and the sea meeting when you stand at a seashore. The place where the sky seems to meet the land or the sea is called horizon. See here, this is. Okay, this like go up a tall building with an adult. See here, children. Next, here North Pole and South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. This is the globe, but here one line is there, that is axis. This is North Pole. This is South Pole. See here. It was interesting to read your thoughts. Okay. There is an imaginary line that connects the 2 flat ends of the earth. The top end is called North Pole and the bottom end is called South Pole. The imaginary line is called axis. The earth spins rotate. On its axis all the time. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Only one rotation, it will take 24 hours. We call this amount of time day. How do we understand the day? When the earth spins on its axis all the time. It takes 24 hours, complete one rotation, we will get one day. Okay, children? Other planets take different amounts of time to rotate on their axis, but the earth spins on its axis 24 hours. Time taken only 24 hours, but other planets takes different amount of time to rotate on this axis. The part of the earth facing the sun has light. We call this day. We call this day. Day means hagalu. The part of the earth facing the sun has light. If there is a sun on that time, the light is there. We call it day. This is the day. Morning to night, we call it day. From night to morning, we call it night. The part away from the sun is dark. If there is no sun, that is dark. We call it night. Okay, children. Next, day means the period of light between sunrise and sunset. Underline this one. The period of light between sunrise and sunset. It is called day. It is called day. And then the period of rotation of planet on its axis on the earth, that is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours it will take one rotation. Okay. See here. He is boy. Okay. Pritish. He continues with the letter. We do different things during the day and night. There is one more movement which is called revolution. Rotation is different. Revolution is different. Rotation takes place only 24 hours. Revolution takes 365 days and 6 hours. Complete one revolution. Rotation takes place only 24 hours on its axis. Okay, but the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Okay, we get from this one different seasons. Okay, this is very important. The revolution is different, rotation is different. See here, the earth takes only 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. It is called rotation. But the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution is called revolution. This causes we get different seasons. This causes we get day and night. Okay, children. See here. Here they have given about this lesson wise some points. I will read for you this. Earth is our home planet. It has everything that we need and know of. We humans live on land. Animals and planets thrive on both land and water. Our earth is round in shape. It is a little flat at the top and bottom with a bulge in the middle. The place where the sky seems to meet the land or the sea is called horizon. Already you have studied. There is an imaginary line called axis which connects the north pole to the south pole and passes through the center of the earth. The earth rotates on its axis all the time. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. This causes day and night. 24 hours complete one rotation means this causes day and night. We will get all the planets including the earth revolves around the sun on imaginary paths are called orbits. Each planet has its own fixed orbit. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution causes seasons. Our earth is tilted 23.5 degrees on its axis. That is why we experience different seasons. See here, true or false they have given here. The earth. Earth is a star? No. Right here, no. Earth is a planet? Yes. You write here, yes. Earth moves up and down in the sky? No. Earth spins on its axis? Yes. Earth travels around the moon? No. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to rotate once? No. Earth has more water and less land? Yes, less land is there. More water is there. Earth has one natural satellite called moon? Yes. We call it the satellite moon. Earth takes 24 hours to rotate once? Yes. Earth is triangular in shape? No. Earth appears blue from space? Yes. Here they have given questions. After we will send you these answers. Afterwards you have write in your given social science workbook. When we will ask, on that time you have to send one word answer they have given. Earth orbits this star. We call it sun right here. The earth does this on its orbit, revolution. We call it revolution. The earth does this on its axis, rotation. Rotation. They live on land, humans. The part of the earth not facing the sun experience night. Most of the earth is covered by water. See here, fourth question. Billions of humans live on planet Earth. The planet also belongs to other living things like planets and animals. Tick, which one the action that will help in saving planet Earth? Chopping trees, mixing fertilizer in soil, more walking and cycling? Yes, this action will help in saving planet, the earth saving. It will help. Traffic jam, not help to the saving planet earth. Recycling things? No. Using less electricity? Yes. Planting more trees? Yes. Generating more garbage? No. Littering fresh water bodies? No. Using less plastic? Yes. Take this one. We will send you this picture, fifth one. Afterwards you draw in your given textbook. Okay children. Next period I will explain you word. Okay. Already you have studied in this one also. Okay. Read once again this one lesson. Okay children. Which you have doubt, you have to underline that. Then ask me. Take care. Bye.